Hello, my name is Wayne Scher. I'm the co-owner and lead business advisor for Think Big and Grow Media. I want to thank you for taking time out today to watch this on-demand webcast demo. I'm really excited to be able to show you our signature digital marketing solution, the RepFluence Marketing Method. Before I dig in too deep, I'll remind you of what you're going to see today. You'll be introduced to the new integrated digital reputation marketing strategy solution powered by our Local Market Dominator Suite that's designed specifically for small and medium businesses. You'll find out how this solution provides you real consulting, a powerful digital marketing strategy, and all the necessary automation without overwhelming you with tech headaches. And you'll see how you get a simple and intuitive interface with all the essential reputation marketing elements, enabling you to build, manage, and market your reputation online from one place. And lastly, you'll uncover how you get connected to your online presence so you never get surprised by negative reviews while remaining on top of results from your reviews, your videos, and marketing to grow your 5-star reputation online. Okay, let's get started. Before you jump into what this solution does for you and what you can do with it, first I'll cover what is the RepFluence Marketing Method. This strategy is built to keep things simple for you, to make it work by using the best of what's available to automate your digital reputation marketing. With expert consulting always available, the Local Market Dominator Suite will allow you and your team to build and manage and market all aspects of your online reputation in social media, email, text messages, video, and throughout the top review directories. You'll have powerful tactics following a clear path to market dominance. And the best part is the video, the social media, the directory monitoring, and other technical aspects are really all done for you, eliminating the technical nightmares most have faced in one way or another in the past. The RepFluence Marketing Method is a single marketing solution designed specifically for small and medium business owners and CEOs. And it's available at an unbelievably affordable price of just $497 per month, or $4,764 annually, which actually cuts the costs even more. When we make it generally available after this limited introduction, the price is going to double. But let's be honest here, to hire a marketing director with the skills to do all this and implement the tools would cost you 25 to 30 times more. We want to truly empower your business to grow a 5-star reputation, simplify digital marketing with a single solution, and deliver a ROI boosting marketing strategy purpose-built to deliver buyers to you from the web. Before the demo portion begins, I'll unravel what we mean by eliminating the headaches. One thing that still remains a consistent complaint or concern of business owners and CEOs is taking on confusing new technology. No one wants to have to learn or relearn anything repeatedly. It's a huge time and money drain. Do we agree on that? That's why we do all the tech production for you. You implement the Local Market Dominator Suite simple and intuitive interface to collect, monitor, and market to your customers. We use that input to create review videos for you, integrate email and SMS marketing, create video interviews positioning you as the market expert, create hundreds of advertising creatives for you, and do all the setup and social media integration and posting for you. Let's not forget the members community. Here you have the ability to reach out to other business owner members for additional ideas and help. Now I'll explain what I mean by never be stuck. I'm certain most of us have taken online courses of some kind promising to deliver great results, but when you really needed support, you only got help from folks that could barely find their way out of bed. So that's why the RepFluence Marketing Method is not a training course. It's consulting. It's a consulting community where you have direct access to me for any matters concerning your implementation of the marketing strategy tactics. You also have the ability to reach out to your peers and even create your own groups to expand beyond all that we do for you. We eliminated the need for you to do any technical integration. We do all of the monitoring of your online presence and report directly to you in bi-weekly reports and updates. The brief videos explain exactly what we are doing for you and how it works. If you still feel stuck or lost, you have direct access to me to answer your questions, not a half-informed help desk like you commonly experience. With the RepFluence Marketing Method, if you get stuck, I personally get you unstuck as fast as possible. Okay, so far we've eliminated all the technical nightmares and ensured you have a way to never feel left behind. We also have a clear path to follow so you always see where you are and where you are going. With a typical marketing fulfillment company masquerading as consultants, you get delivered a single product that may very well be good, but there is no strategy other than to sell you the next tier product and no clear path to where it all ends for you and how you really get the return on your investment you deserve. With the RepFluence Marketing Method, you have a clear 90-day timeline showing you exactly when everything is achieved in the 9-step path from one of the pack in your market to being the untouchable market dominator. That timeline puts in place everything needed to position you online as the clear market leader and expert in your market area. Our expert consulting will ensure you stay clear on what's happening and how to implement each action step at each level. There won't be any guesswork for you because we also do all the tech work for you. The RepFluence Marketing Method and the Local Market Dominator Suite will make digital marketing a true ROI booster that's easy to do in your company. You will ultimately have a 5-star reputation constantly growing and updating with the building, managing, and marketing all on 95% autopilot. We automate your social branding across the web and use it to boost your social engagement. We provide you the means to not only have an untouchable 5-star online presence everywhere buyers look for you, but also to be able to follow up with the 95% of visitors to your website that you've never been able to reach in the past. You will be everywhere buyers look for you in the type media they love best, giving them exactly what they are looking for about you. The best part is, the powerful pathway really does give you a 75% higher probability of a web buyer buying only from you instead of your competition. Now let's take a quick look at how all of this is done.
Would be the RepFluence Marketing Method community area. Right after you complete your sign up, when you join in the marketing method, you're going to be taken here, and here you'll see immediately on the screen all of the 3 levels that you'll work through in all 9 steps that take you there. You actually see 10 steps here, but one isn't technically a step of the program. This is an introduction of how everything works, and it's recommended you do these short videos so you understand how everything flows, but that it's not technically a part of the strategy. So there's 9 steps to the strategy. One of the most important places you'll want to go is the resources page, because it'll guide you to doing all of your first, how you contact me, and second, how you do all of your fulfillment requirements. So let's just take a look at something that would have a fulfillment requirement. Let's use this one. You just click on the lesson you want, and you can do this in any order. Of course, it's recommended you go in the order that they are presented, but there's no blocks preventing you from jumping around, which I do not recommend, but I know that people want to do that no matter what, so we have to I just accommodate you that way. So when you get to each course, you'll see when you scroll down a little bit that it has downloads with the course, the resources for the course, and the training. So, of course, the place to begin is, like, this has 1 lesson. If it has multiple lessons, you'll have several lessons there. You would go to the lesson, complete that lesson, and then do the, like, for instance, this requires you to... this is just setting you up to get the fulfillment of a review, an accelerator review video for your business. So the assignment here is, I need some things in order to complete that, so you need to upload them and send them to me, and that's what it does. But you'll also be able to do that from the resources page. When you go to the resources, you see right here, that was the Authority Accelerator. So that's the downloads. You can get that right there as well. Takes you back to get them. And to do the fulfillment, it'll take you right back to where we just were almost. The Authority Accelerator Fulfillment gives you some instructions. You fill out a form with the information we need, and then we'll do the we'll create that for you. Of course, we do need some information from you because we can't read your mind. So you have to provide us some information. You do none of the technical things. Just provide us the information we need. So for each of the fulfillments, and there's many of them, I'll ask you to provide me some information. And then there's a way to buy more than what you get with the programs. So I think with the accelerator videos, off the top of my head, I'm working here. I think you get 6 of these, but if you want it more, you could certainly order more. It's as simple as that. Okay, there's no requirement to buy anything though to get started. It's included in your strategy, the RepFluence Marketing Method. All right, so it's very simple in here. You have a way to get to support. You have a way to get quickly back to your courses, and you also have, this is a demo account, so please, if anything looks slightly different with yours, don't get hung up on that. It's pretty close to the same, but you will have a profile here. From that profile, you are able to do things like create groups, message other members, message me. You can put your own pictures on here, whatever you like on your profile. All right, it works much like it being in Facebook. So that's the members area, the community area. Now, let's quickly look at the Local Market Dominator Suite. This is the page you come to. Let me see if I can get the video to pop up. Actually, when you log in, I believe this video or training video pops up and introduces you, but every page has a training video to guide you if you get confused. But remember, this is designed for you to build, manage, and market your reputation. So it's set up to allow you to do that. This page just gives you an overview of what's happening. Once again, this is a demo account, but it's populated with some data to give you an idea of how yours might look. All right, so you can work across the top on these tabs. Contact, I mean, these are just what they say. This is how you add contacts or what contacts you currently have. There's no contacts in here because this is actually there are some in here. I guess we did some of our work initially in this. Then we have campaigns. So these are marketing campaigns. And we're not running campaigns from this right now, even though that says active. This is now a demo account. But there's different types of campaigns you do. Thank you campaigns to your customers. Apology campaigns to those rare few that have a negative experience. And this is how you stop them from basically going straight to the review sites and posting against you. This campaign kicks in immediately to get you so you can interject, and then you have the ability to talk to them after they receive your initial immediate apology and sign in. This is one of the ways that the strategy is taught to you to enable people to sign in with you. So it's one of the greatest ways to be able to get people signed up with you and then following up with them with a thank you campaign or an apology campaign. Hopefully the apology campaign would be used very little. This page would just be the details of who's signed in. This is what a sign-in page basically looks like. You can have this anywhere. You can have people carrying it with them. If they go remotely, it can be at your desk. It's that simple. You can edit this page and change it, and it has a specific URL for you, so you don't have to integrate it with anything. Like we said, it can be integrated if you know how to do those things, but it's not required. It has its own unique URL. All right, promotions. You have a promotion center where you can set up promo pages and promo emails. Let's just click on that. There's none in here at the moment, but basically you can create and design promo pages that you could send people to for special promotions. So let's say you have a customer this would be for existing customers, and you want to offer them a special discount to get them back. Well, this is a way to do that easily without having to do a whole lot of tricky changes on your website. You create a unique page here. So there's many other aspects and many other things that can be done in here. You can write, of course, promotional emails. That's where that began. And you can write them and schedule them and do all of that here. We're not going to spend time doing that, but there's nothing tricky in the language here. You do exactly what it says here. You schedule it, and the ones that have been completed are here. Messages you receive, they will come here. I don't think there's any. Oh, well, there are some here. And so this is where you can write and modify messages. We provide you a series of messages already for your initial thank you and follow up, and I recommend you do, in fact, modify them to your voice so that they sound like you. It's very easy. You just go in here and type whatever you want it to say if you want to change it. Okay, so let's look back at the home page. Let that load up 1 second. And because I'm live doing a lot of things, it's a little slow for me right now. But you see here, it also walks you through a number of things. Getting more reviews, resolving bad reviews, seeing your last online reviews, seeing your feedback reviews. So you have the ability to get, we are monitoring everything that gets posted online, so you'll be able to see those here. You also have a feedback page that customers can go to and simply provide you feedback. So basically what happens is you want to send them to the feedback page first, and then they're given the option to post online. But by doing so and following up with them, you get way more 5-star online reviews from customers than you ever did before. And no, you don't get them from 100% of them. Maybe you get them from 25%. But that's still more than you do right now if you're not doing any kind of active or proactive marketing to get those reviews. You have resources, your sign-in form. You have a training center. Let's quickly go there for training your employees so that they literally sign in with their name so you know that they've done, and then they begin the training session. It's a very short session, but it's just to make them understand the importance of what you are doing here. Your media center is for creating promotions and other type of media. You can do postcards. Let's see if I can get that to open quickly. Well, let's see if this works. I don't know if I have a media center. Yeah, I do. So here's your media center. You create business cards, flyers, table tents, postcards, stickers, counter cards, rec cards, bookmarks, all kinds of various media that you need for promoting yourself. And we encourage you to use your reputation in creation of those, no matter what they might be. People want to know your reputation. All right. So let's go back to the home page quickly. And let's see, you also have a mobile app. So this we're not going to go to in detail, but when you sign up, we'll also show you exactly how to use the mobile app. All right. So it really is that simple. All the rest of the technical things, we're doing it for you. So you're wondering, so how's the monitoring happening? How's all these other things happening? Well, we're doing it for you. It's all done in the background, so you don't have to do it. You're going to provide us your login details, but you're going to do that secretly. We're going to send you an email. You fill in that data. We never see it. It connects us, and we're able to monitor it and then provide you biweekly updates on how you're progressing. Okay? Does that make sense? All the videos we create, we do that for you. The reviews that you get are fed to us as well. You tell us which ones you want the reviews from. We're going to do interviews for you. We're going to do social media engagement for you. But none of that is going to bog you down here in this simple interface. It's very, very simple. And truly, the majority of the stuff is done behind you. All right. That's the demo. It can't be, I suppose it could be simpler, but there's rarely times when an interface is made this simple for you when you join in. And of course, we give you all the details of how to deal with this inside your RepFluence Market community. It's all there. But don't worry, like I said, you have direct access to me. So that completes the demo. Let me provide you just a few closing words.
All right, that completes it all. Let's do a quick recap. The RepFluence Marketing Method is a single solution to simplify your digital marketing and market your online reputation everywhere buyers look for it. With it, you will eliminate all the tech headaches, never be left feeling stuck, have a clear marketing path to success, and ultimately dominate your market regardless of your size and simplify your digital marketing for your business. Now all you have to do is make a choice for your business. You can go back to the ThinkBigandGrowMedia.com/special page so that you can learn more about the RepFluence Marketing Method and what it can do for you. You can even schedule a call if you need more details discussed with me. I always schedule calls so neither you nor I has to play phone tag. Or when you feel comfortable, make your purchase and get started right away with one of the limited slots at this very special introductory pricing. Thanks for watching.